What is happening? So this is a little different video than the ones I put out. It's just kind of like a nice day, so I wanted to go for a bike ride, and figured I could get some footy in. I'm pretty much done figuring out how to do the seats. I haven't been recording it much because I decided that trying to record the process was kind of time consuming and distracting. So instead of doing a full like step-by-step you follow me through the process of figuring everything out, I'm just gonna figure it out and then show you how to do it. Look at that little stingray right there. Check out these wildebeest out here eating. But yeah, so basically just gonna be getting it together on the as far as the seat brackets go, and we're just gonna figure out how to do it. I already figured out how to do it, but I'm just gonna do a video on how to make it and how to make them, and do that process instead of just you having to try to sit through 30 minutes plus of me trying to figure it out along the way. So hopefully that's appreciated. I want to have a more content that's like straight to the point. Obviously it's how you get better YouTube results and views and whatnot. So it's kind of what I'm going to be playing with over the next day or two. I am going to redo the brackets as well, just to make sure that they're all like perfectly clean cuts and I retain as much metal as possible, because that was another concern of mine. But aside from that, yeah, it's a nice day out. I'm gonna get some sun that I definitely need. Yeah, just enjoy the rest of this video. Just gonna kind of be cruising. Oh yeah, I stay with the Pokemon Go when I'm riding my bike. They turn the fountain off when everyone goes home. Nice. Stay classy, Fairfield. This used to be the skate spot back in the day. It used to be, it was called California Bagels. It was a bagel shop right here on the corner, and they used to let us skateboard out here, and we'd buy bagels. Nice little two-stair with the ledge on it. I thought they skate stopped this up. Oh yeah, here it is. Pretty lame. Some grind marks would look a lot less trashy than those bars on there, that's for sure. Everything was so much bigger back then. Still totally underrated skate spot. They used to get mad because our boards would hit the windows. We never broke any though. This is like one of the nicest parks in Fairfield, so if you ever come to the West Coast Bay Area in a small town called Fairfield, definitely want to check this park out. How you guys doing? There goes Fast and Furious Mustang on VH1. Where are the cars now? Here. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. I didn't want to like cat off and not give you guys like a update on what's going on with the car. As you can tell, I am not lying whatsoever about the progress on the seats. Let's get it up a little bit there. There we go. So the reason I didn't really want to do anything in terms of like, let's see, I don't want to go into what I'm doing with the seats right now because it's just too complicated, and it's just gonna be so much easier when I have this thing all mocked up completely. It's 100%, you know, functional. I got the seat belt, you know, mounted back up. But until then, I'm just like sitting here in the garage. I'm like trying to work on this, and I'm like talking to myself, and then I'm trying to work on this, and then I'm talking to it is just counterproductive. Moving forward, aside from like, you know, like obvious jobs where like I'm gonna be doing, you know, like the motor swap or something. Like when it comes to like fabrication and custom work, I'm just gonna figure out how to do it, and then just kind of go over the process. When I was like really active on like the Honda Tech forums and the Honda Civic Wagon forum, like I always kind of tried to like have a detailed write-up, you know, like something dummy proof, something that even I could do, you know. So that's kind of like what I'm going through with this, is just trying to learn on about like how to go about making YouTube videos, and kind of putting my thoughts into words, and my actions, kind of just trying to figure out exactly what I'm doing and how I can, you know, vocalize it and have it on a YouTube platform where it's not boring as hell to watch. Because sometimes I'm watching my videos after I edit them. I'm trying not to sneeze right now, and I'm just like, man, just shut up, just get to just get to the point, you know. So I'm working on it, you know. I know my biggest flaw right now is that, and I'm working on it. But yeah, so like I said, these seats are virtually bolted in. I gotta knock out the carriage bolts that are gonna be going through the inside of this angle iron here, and I have to file down the OEM seat rail, and then mount that side up, get the angle iron. I think, yeah, I got to do the angle iron on the shifting side still. But I'm gonna knock this out either Sunday night or Monday during the day, and there will be a video up. I'm gonna make sure I go like the extra step, and I'm going to actually be making like diagrams on Photoshop, so I'll have like a uploadable file that you can downloadable file that you can take with you if you're working on a wagon or just trying to figure out like how to go about making seat rails for this. Should apply to like damn near any platform. It's just my platform is obviously going to be wagon specific, so Honda Civic wagon specific, and yeah, so you should be able to take all this information with you and just apply it to whatever car you have. You have 240, you got a BMW, you got a Toyota Corolla, you got a whatever you got. I'm sure that if you just think a little bit and watch this video, it should help you figure out how to make your own custom seat brackets to adapt to your own OEM seat rails. So, and if not, you know, it was worth a shot, right? It was worth a shot taking a look at my videos to see if it could help you out. If anything, it should give you like an idea. Maybe you could modify it to fit what your platform requires. But yeah, doing this in the Honda Civic wagon, it's just super annoying. 88 through 89 wagons don't have such a big headache. That's going to be because they don't have the automatic seatbelts. I don't know. It's up for debate. I'm personally, obviously, because I'm trying to keep them, I'm automatic seatbelt gang. 90 through 91, I like it. It's a cool retro feature. It's annoying. It can break. It just, you know, I feel like the real Honda Civic wagon enthusiasts or the EF enthusiasts out there are like, you know, they like the 90 through 91 challenge. So that's gonna do it for this video. I just spent 5 minutes rambling on, but I'm gonna end it right there and right now. So yeah, whatever you're doing out there, just have fun doing it. That's for real time. Free game for you. Take it with you. Peace.